As I read all about the cost per unit and the selling price per unit, I pause and make an inference about the profit per unit. The profit is, of course, the difference between the cost and the selling price, and that works out to 55 cents. So we're making a profit of 55 cents on every unit that we're selling, but we need to make $9,900. So really this question is just asking, how many times does 55 cents fit into $9,900? But to make this a little bit easier, I'm going to rephrase the $9,900 in terms of cents, just so that we're comparing apples to apples. So $9,900, if I multiply that by a factor of 100, will give me the cents. We're talking about 990,000 cents. So we want to know how many times does 55 go into 990,000. Now, luckily, there is a common factor between the numerator and the denominator. So if I reduce by that factor of 11, I'm left with 90,000 divided by 5, which is 18,000. And if you find it challenging to divide 90 by 5, just expand that fraction by a factor of 2 and you'll get 180 divided by 10. So this is a trick you can use whenever you have 5 in the denominator. If you find it easier to divide by 10, just expand the fraction by a factor of 2, and then you have a much easier computation of just dividing by 10. So I'm going to go ahead and pick answer choice D and move on to the next question. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.